In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with HubSpot. Whether you're just discovering HubSpot or aiming to dive deeper into its capabilities, setting up your account correctly is essential. Let's walk through this process together, ensuring you have a smooth start. First, you'll want to head over to the HubSpot website. You'll find yourself on the home page with a variety of options, but we're focused on starting a demo to familiarize ourselves with the platform. Fill in the necessary details on the form provided and click on Start Demo. This step is crucial as it grants you a first-hand experience of HubSpot's tools. Ensure all your input is accurate to avoid any issues later on. Next, you'll be directed to a new page where you need to select Get Started Free. This option is perfect for beginners or those exploring. It provides an easy entry into the wide array of features HubSpot offers without the concern of initial costs. Clicking this will prompt a registration or login step. For simplicity and ease of future access, I recommend selecting Continue with Google when given the option. This choice allows you to link HubSpot with your Google account, streamlining the login process. Not only is this secure, but it also reduces the number of passwords you need to remember. After clicking Continue with Google, you will see another prompt. Here, it's just a matter of clicking Continue to progress with your Google credentials. If you're logged in on your browser, you might not even need to enter your details again. Once your Google account and HubSpot are successfully linked, the setup will direct you through several prompts on the screen. These prompts aim to gather additional information relevant to your specific needs and help personalize your experience with HubSpot. Take the time to accurately fill these out as they will optimize HubSpot's utility for your context. Finally, when all the details are in place and you've tailored the setup to match your requirements, click on Create Account. This last step solidifies your new account, making you ready to explore HubSpot's expansive CRM tools. Congratulations, you've now set up your HubSpot account. By following these steps, you've laid the groundwork for harnessing HubSpot's potentials, from marketing automation to effective customer engagement. Remember, as you navigate through the platform, there are plenty of resources and a supportive community to assist you. Feel free to explore and adjust settings according to your business needs. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you're as excited as I am about what you can achieve with HubSpot.